Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix can't add card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. First, open your settings app on your iPhone and make sure that your device is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, scroll down and tap General and select About and check if there's something or there's a software update available. If yes, update your iPhone to the latest version, and outdated software can prevent cards from being added. Then here you can go back to the settings and click Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure that your Apple Pay is turned on. If the issue continues, check if your region supports Apple Pay because some countries or banks might not yet support it. And finally, you can restart your iPhone and try adding your card once more in the Apple Wallet. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.